In this lesson, you are going to become a master of verb to sell in Spanish present tense. The verb to sell in Spanish is
vender,
and this verb is a regular Spanish verb that finishes in ER. We taught you these regular verbs in previous videos. If you didn't watch it, you can find a link in the description. Let's start with a quick view of the grammar. I sell.
yo vendo,
You sell.
tú vendes,
He, she sells.
él, ella vende,
We sell.
nosotros vendemos,
You sell.
vosotros vendéis,
They sell.
ellos, ellas venden.
As you see, this verb has the same endings or conjugations as the regular verbs. So let's start with the examples and vocabulary. I sell my bicycle really cheap.
Vendo mi bicicleta muy barata.
Do you sell your house?
¿Vendes tu casa?
He doesn't sell the car.
Él no vende el coche.
Do they sell accessories in their e-commerce?
¿Venden accesorios en su e-commerce?
Julia sells lingerie in the Facebook Marketplace.
Julia vende lencería en el marketplace de Facebook.
We never sell anything.
Nunca vendemos nada.
If you want to learn Spanish, follow the link in the description, and you will find our complete course with more than 600 lessons, 300 exercises, more than 60 hours content, and a community where you can ask questions and our teachers will answer you, and meet people learning Spanish to practice. Only $249 lifetime. If you want to continue learning for free, just click here and you will find the next free lesson.